Good afternoon. My name is Ryan Thompson, and today I will be going over your customer satisfaction survey for your WearEver shoe products. To start, these are the shoe products that were included in the survey. We have the rugged hiking boots, the comfy walking shoes, lazy flip-flops, seriously tall boots, and glide running shoes. So this is the criteria answered in the survey. We have each survey listed with 4 different criteria, with the 3 most important ones being comfort, fit, and style. As you can see, the survey was on a 1 to 10 scale, with 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. Each product had many different responses, as you can see from their names being repeated multiple times going down the list. With this, for the survey ratings, this is the scale we used. Anything below a 5 rating would be considered poor. Anything between 5 and 7 rating would be average. Anything between 8 and 9 would be above average. And then finally at the top, anything above 9 would be considered excellent. With the result from the survey, I created a table to show each shoe's average rating for each category. This was simple, as I just used an Excel created function to take the rating of each shoe in each category and then divide it by the number of inputs provided for the shoe. This formula gave us a table, as you can see right now. At the end of the table, you can see the overall rating for the shoe, which is the average of the previous 3 categories put together. As you can see, each shoe had comfort, fit, and style, all 3 different ratings put together for each shoe, and these were the averages of the survey that we took on the previous slide. And then here at the end, you can see the overall, which is the average of the comfort, fit, and style for each shoe put together for an overall rating. And then obviously at the end, you can also see the word rating, which we will get into in the next slide. So with the results from the survey I just showed, those averaged up are the final scores for each shoe. At the top of the rankings are the glide running shoes with an excellent rating. This means that these are your most popular and well-liked shoes, so I would say that you should keep producing these. And there is no reason to change them, as they are obviously still very well-liked. The rugged hiking boots were the runner-ups with an above-average score, so I think it would be a good idea to keep producing these and making the tiny improvements where you see fit, as they are clearly still liked. The comfy walking shoes and seriously tall boots had an average rating, so if you can find a way to make some improvements to these, then I think it could be a good idea to keep selling them, as people obviously don't hate them because they're average, but obviously there are some things that can still be worked on as they are still average. Closing it out are the lazy flip-flops with a poor rating. I think this means you should just discontinue this product or find a way to revamp them completely. Otherwise, it is pointless to sell such an unliked product. You would probably just be losing money based off the selling rates for it. And that is all I got for you on this survey, so thank you for listening, and have a good night.